Entering the Boston Theater Garage. I'm not sure what the name of it is. It's the one near the theater district. Here we go. Here, I've never actually been in this garage before, so we're gonna see what it's like. So I guess we go right. We go this right lane here. This, I guess, is the entry lane. This is apparently a huge garage. We're gonna see how crazy this is. It's a big, long entry line. This is expected because they assume there's gonna be huge lines. Get in and out of here, so I can scan my ticket on this. First scanner didn't work, but scanner did. So I guess we can go down here. It looks like there's some valet parked cars in here. Let's see. How do we get down here? Must be like a really narrow express ramp up here. This is gonna be really sketchy. Hope this is a one-way ramp, but I'm pretty sure it's probably two-way. Okay, we're good. Oh, they do have little mirrors. That makes it a little easier. I guess we gotta go straight. Wonder how many floors this goes. So we're gonna go right because maybe this goes more floors down. So we're gonna stay on the right here. There's someone like right behind me, so I gotta be careful. Plenty of parking spaces here. Oh, so now it's just turned into like a single helix. Oh crap, I think this is one-way. Is this supposed to be a double thread, the 3-bay double thread underground? Because it says one way, but so I guess I'm on the wrong side. Oh, so now I turn this way. So it was a double threaded, but you had to do a full loop at each time. So I think I threw off the, didn't go the way they expected. So now I'm against the double threaded helix. So I guess we go down here. This is normally the way you would loop if you're doing the helix. I think. I don't know. This is actually pretty confusing. Okay, there's a gate there, so we can't park there. Let's go see about this area. Wonder if we can park in that spot there. So we're leaving the theater garage. Let's see if we can make this turn quickly. Here we go. Yeah, that's valet for Ritz-Carlton. That's why it's fenced off there. I think this is kind of the way we came in, but we came in from the wrong way, so we're gonna actually go the right way out. Because when you get to the top of the double thread helix, it actually turns into just a one-way because the exit ramp's separate from the entrance ramp. You'll see in a little bit. It's actually kind of cool how they did this. So now we're gonna turn and go up to the ramp. Yes, this is the other gate. So now we're just gonna go up. And what's nice is a double thread helix, even though you actually can only do one loop at a time. I mean, normally on a double thread helix, you would go left and go up the ramp again, but we actually have to make the full loop. So it ends up turning to kind of like a side-by-side-ish layout. Because everyone has to make the loop on this part of the garage, but the other two are one-ways, going up or down depending on where you pick. So that way they don't have to put the center crossovers. Yes, that's like valet parking over there. I wonder if it switches sides, because I know we're gonna go up the left side. Okay, watch this. See, we've been doing turns on the right, now we're gonna go up the left, because now it's turned into a true double thread helix here. Because that's actually blocked off. So now we're gonna go up the left side, and then this is gonna do one more turn at the top, and then that's gonna go to the exit gate. So that express ramp we did in the beginning, that was actually this ramp we're on now, but on the other side. That's why, so that ended up being a one-way ramp. So we're gonna go up here, and then at the top of this, we're gonna turn and go to the exit gate. But from the other side this time. So there's a car going to the valet, so we can go around him because we're going to the exit here. So let's just go to the middle one. They actually give you a long lane, but also that's because partway because of the loading dock, and also because there's usually a long line to get out of this garage at the end of the day. So they just give you a huge lane exit, which is pretty unusual. So now we can leave.
Thank you for your visit and have a safe drive.
Look at the machines that Post Office Square has. This is security. Oh, they got Northeast security here, I see. Anyway, we're gonna go up the ramp and we're gonna turn left because we're actually going back to the theater.